Hey guys, what's up? We're currently in my kitchen and this week I'm going to show you guys how I make a spicy rigatoni. So for this one, the ingredients you will need: rigatoni noodles, mozzarella cheese, tomato paste, chili paste, and fresh chopped, dang, I forgot the name of this real quick. Fresh chopped shallots and garlic. We'll also need salt and pepper, heavy whipping cream, a double shot of vodka. This is not for drinking, this is for our sauce. The last thing I'm gonna need is my glass of wine. Cheers. So the first thing we're gonna start on is cooking these noodles. One thing that's definitely super important when boiling noodles and cooking those down, you want to salt the water. I'm gonna put about a 1/4 cup of salt. I'm gonna go ahead and throw these guys in and get them cooking. So my noodles have been in for about they're gonna finish at about 11. So you're gonna cook rigatoni noodles from anywhere from about 11 to 12 minutes. So those are about to be done. Let's start on the sauce. Heat a smaller pan here. Just a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna go ahead and drop our shallot and fresh garlic. We're gonna start cooking these down with our vodka. You're not gonna spark a huge flame to cook down this alcohol, so buy the cheapest type of vodka that you can. It'll cook super quick. So I'm gonna leave this on the pan, just let the shallots and the garlic kind of like absorb the alcohol. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and let that sit on the other burner. Let's go ahead and get a bigger pan for the main part of the sauce. A little bit of olive oil. We're gonna go ahead and add the tomato paste. So why we're adding the tomato paste before anything else, tomato paste is extremely bitter. You need to put it directly on the skillet so that cooks down and that cooks out of the paste. Smear it down on the pan a little bit and let it sit. We're gonna go ahead and add our shallots and garlic. As you can see, the alcohol's completely cooked out. What time is it? Why can't you tell me? I'm literally about to have me burn these noodles. So next we're gonna go ahead and start adding our heavy whipping cream. Then we'll add our chili paste, which by the way, this is kind of difficult to find at like a regular store for some reason. Here you should find yourself adding seasoning, so salt and pepper, just some basic stuff. You wanna season everything. She's pretty thick. Now we're continuing to add the whipping cream, getting a really nice color. I haven't tasted it, so I should probably do that before I start adding noodles. And it's perfect. I never miss. I never miss. So I have my rigatoni here. I might not be using all of it. I did make a lot of noodles, but I'm gonna go ahead and start adding that to the sauce. This might be super difficult to stir this way now that I'm thinking about it. If you're making this portion size, which is big enough to feed about 3 to 4 people, make sure you're stirring your sauce and cooking it down just a little bit in a bigger pan. Looking scrumpy, dumpty, diddlyumptious. Besides the fact that there's never enough cheese in this world, I love to add mozzarella to the pasta just to give it that little bit of like pull apart effect. Whew. And we're ready to plate our spicy rigatoni. We only do big portions in this house, and we love pasta. And you know what's so crazy? Literally, okay, so you go to Italy, the home of pasta, right? And you're just like eating a ton of it, and you're like, why am I not getting any bigger? Why am I not getting out of shape? I don't know. I don't know if it's pasta that speeds up their metabolism, but all they eat is pasta, bread, and pizza, and it's not an exaggeration. Some optional things I love to add, absolutely love to add: fresh mozzarella cheese, delicious, or like a fresh burrata cheese, that's also optional. Then what's also optional to add is chili flakes. If you are a fan of heat, you know, go ahead and sprinkle some chili flakes over there. Always love to top it off with Himalayan salt. It's just like a fancy salt. Season to taste. I know for a fact this is gonna taste amazing. So yeah, try this recipe out at home. This one is super quick. I think total cook time and prep time, probably like 20 minutes, but you can feed your whole family off of a pasta that literally tastes like it's from a restaurant, which is kind of cool. If you do make it, please let me know, and I'll see you on the next one. It was cool cooking with you.